Okay, I get it. There's not many things more fun than a good flog down the trail in a well-built Jeep, especially when you know your axle is built to take anything you throw at it. When the JL and JT Wrangler first came to market, it looked like the front axle was going to be a big improvement over the old JK break-in-half design. That was right up until we decided that 37s were the new 35s of last week. Now we all know that big is better, so with big tires and big loads for overlanding, TeraFlex Axle Department put together a front Rubicon JLJT direct replacement, bolt-in, swap-in your gears and locker, 44 heavy-duty axle housing that's designed to stand up to the abuse that you people seem to call fun. How does 3 1/4 inch axle tubes, ½ inch thick, TeraFlex Heavy-Duty wear adjustable ball joints, heavy-duty forged inner knuckles, 68 inches wide, UV-protected triple-stage powder coat, and 1/4 inch thick CNC laser-cut axle brackets. This bad boy also eliminates axle disconnect, so 32 splined one-piece chromoly inner Rubicon shafts, they're included. Oh, and did I tell you that they're engineered, designed, and built in the USA? Because they are. The TeraFlex front replacement housing for the JL and JT Rubicon. You know, it's like having a section of an M1 tank under your Jeep. Bring it on.